Hi, scholars. Our reading foundation work today is going to be all about decoding multisyllable words. That means that when you read a word in third grade and on as excellent readers, you're going to decode. Now, you might be thinking decoding means breaking words into phonemes or sounds, individual sounds. That's what your first and maybe even your kindergarten teacher taught you. But now that you are a third grade scholar, we're going to be looking at syllables. And so when we decode these syllables, we're going to chunk them. And it's going to be important that you're able to recognize where the vowels are in each syllable work. So let's take a look at the standard. Okay, let me read it for you. I can decode multisyllable words. And this is Reading Foundations, third grade, 3A. So let's read this together. I can decode multisyllable words. And you're right. Decoding means that when we read, it's going to be a process that we use to really chunk those words into parts to make our reading fluent. But first, let's do a phonemic awareness activity. And so this means that we're going to hear and produce the syllable work, break apart the syllables auditorily, and then to say them first. So here's your first word. The first word is thunderstorm. Let's say that word together. Thunderstorm. Now we're going to break them into syllables, and there's a number of ways that you can do this. Let's put the syllables onto our fingers. Now these are going to be, if you think of syllables, think about them as that natural break in the word. Okay, so here we go. Thunderstorm. How many syllables are there? Let's do it again, just to check. Thunderstorm. Let's clap out the syllables together in thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. How many syllables are there? That's right, there are 3. Here's our next word. Devastation. Devastation. Are you ready? Let's start by clapping. Devastation. We're going to clap out the syllable breaks. Devastation. So now let's take a look at this idea of decoding syllables in actual words. So here's this word. This is the word thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. Take a minute with your thunderstorm and see if you can place, using your highlighter, a mark between the syllable breaks. Thunderstorm. So you have your highlighter, and we're going to think about it. You might have had to do it auditorily first. Thunderstorm. Were you able to get them here? Thunder, storm. There are the 3 syllables. Do you see them? Here's the first one. Thunder, storm. So let's really look at what's happening when we do this syllable break. So here is thunderstorm broken into syllables. Thunderstorm. Do you see the vowels in each syllable? This is the trick. You ready? You ready for that? This is the trick. To really understand how you as a reader will fluently decode multisyllable words, we're going to look at where the vowels are. Did you hear that? Where the vowels are. So each syllable has one vowel sound. Now we're talking vowel sounds because we know our wonderful kindergarten and first grade teachers taught us that many times more than one letter will make a vowel sound. So we're not talking about vowel as in a letter. We're talking about vowel sounds. So let's take a look at this. Fun. There's the vowel. Fun. And that's one syllable. Fun. One vowel sound, one syllable. Der. Do you see? There's that R-controlled vowel. So fun, Der. Syllable 1, syllable 2, and here's the third syllable. Storm. Here we go. There's that or. Storm. R controlled vowel or. 1, 2, 3 vowel sounds. 1, 2, 3 syllables. Are you ready for the next one? Devastation. Devastation. Take 30 seconds with your highlighter and on your word devastation, put a mark or a dot between the syllables. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Did you get them between the syllables? Devastation. So here we go. Remember, one vowel sound, or sounds, one syllable. Here we go. Devastation. Okay. We counted earlier how many there were. Devastation. Did you get the 4? Do you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Now I didn't pick this one because it was easy. Now let's really talk about it. So here we are. 4 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4. Devastation. Here is the first one. That Deva. There's that second syllable and the second vowel sound. Stay. There's the third sound. And then this is shun is a suffix. You've probably been learning, you should be learning, about shun as a suffix, meaning at the end of a word. And it's actually also a complex vowel. What? That's right. So you would never say devastate. Devastate. It turns this word devastation. It turns the shun is seen as a complex vowel. Devastation. Were you able to find the 4 syllables?